let's solve these equations. Now, given 5 to the power of 2x equal to 27 and 3 to the power of 3y equal to 16, find 4 to the power of 1 all over xy. So now the way we're going to do this is, now you have here 5 to the power of 2x equal to 27, and this is 3 to the power of 3y equal to 16. So now there are two methods we are going to use. Now the first method, now we take the logarithm of both sides, to base 4. Now you have log 5 to the power of 2x base 4 is equal to log 27 base 4. Now the same with this, we take the logarithm of both sides to base 4, we say it will now be log 3 raised to power 3y base 4 equal to log 16 base 4. Now for this, according to the law of logarithm, the left hand side will now be 2 times x log 5 base 4 is equal to log 27 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 3 base 4. So log 3 to the power of 3 base 4. So now, and then this is also written as log 3 base 4 times 3y is equal to log 4. 16 is 4 raised to power 2. So log 4 raised to power 2 base 4. This one is similar like this. Now we can also rearrange this to be 2x log 5 base 4 equal to 3 log 3 base 4. Then this, the other equation that contains y will now be 3y times log 3 base 4 equal to 2 log 4 base 4, and log 4 base 4 is equal to 1. So this is the same thing as 2. Now for the equation that contains y, that contains x, for us to isolate the x, I will divide all the both sides with 2 log 5 base 4. So 2 log 5 base 4. That is what we use to divide both sides. So this will cancel this. This log 5 base 4 will cancel log 5 base 4. Now on the left hand side, we're left with x is equal to 3 log 3 base 4 all over 2 log 5 base 4. So this is our x. Then our y, dividing both sides by, now to isolate our y, dividing both sides by 3 log 3 base 4, 3 log 3 base 4. So now the 3 will cancel out the 3, and log 3 base 4 will cancel out log 3 base 4. So now on the left hand side, you have y equal to 2 all over 3 log 3 base 4. Now if we multiply x with y, Now xy will now be 3 log 3 base 4 divided by 2 log 5 base 4 times 2 all over 3 log 3 base 4. So now cancel this and this, then this one cancels out this. Now we are left with, now log 3 base 4 will cancel out log 3 base 4. So now what is left is 1 all over log 5 base 4. So that means xy is same thing as 1 all over log 5 base 4, which now implies that 1, that is the inverse to inverse it now, which now implies that 1 all over xy is same thing as log 5 base 4. So now according to the law of logarithm, now going to the logarithm, to convert this to indices, you now have the base, which is 4 raised to this log. So 1 all over xy is a log, which is the power, is equal to what? 5. Now this is the answer for this method. This is the way to get this the result for this method. Then the second method, you have 5 to the power of 2x is equal to 27. Then the other one, you have 3 to the power of 3y is equal to 16. Now 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3y is equal to 16. So 3 to the power of 3y can be expressed as 3 to the power of 3 raised to the power of y is equal to 16. Now 3 to the power of 3 is 27 raised to the power of y equal to 16. So from this equation, anywhere we see 27, we replace it with this. So now this is 27. Now we're going to replace with that 27 with 5 to the power of 2x raised to the power y is equal to 16. Now if you now multiply y with if you now multiply the powers, you have 5 raised to 5 to the power of 2xy is equal to 16 is the same thing as 4 raised to the power 2. Now inequality, whatever you do to the right hand side, you have to also do it to the left hand side, so that it will still, the equality sign will still remain. Now what I will do now, I will divide the powers. with 2xy. That is, I will divide this power with now 2xy. This 4 divided by 2 all over 2xy. Because what you do to this, for this equality sign to still remain the same, what you do to the powers, whatever you do to the left hand side, you also have to do to the right hand side for the equality sign to remain. Now if you want to divide the whole, if you want to divide the left hand side, you have, what you did to the left hand side, you have to do it to the right hand side, so that the equality sign will still remain. But if you do it only on the one part, there will be a variation. It will not be equal again. Now it is equal since the powers, we divide it with equal amount of value, so that is why it's still the same. So now if you divide this with the same value, this will cancel out this, it becomes 1. So 5 raised to the power 1 is the same thing as 5. Then you have this 2 will cancel out this, you have 4 raised to power 1 all over xy. That is 4 to the power of 1 all over xy. So this is the final answer for this method. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you like this video, and also do well to share it so that other people can watch it. Thank you.